Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So you guys apparently really enjoyed the Oreo French Toast Bake meal prep version, and so today we're gonna hit ourselves with a strawberry cheesecake French Toast Bake, perfect for meal prepping, whether you're on a cut or on a bulk. It's gonna be slightly lower in calorie and always with epic flavor. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to flex on that subscribe button, give this video a big fat thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get into the recipe. Now, to get this French toast meal prep started, let's grab 15 slices of Sara Lee bread. And if you've made the Oreo French toast meal prep version of this, you'll be able to whip through this real quick. And if you haven't, I've gone ahead and tagged the video in the top right-hand corner. But let's cube up the bread and set it aside. Next, let's grease up our 9x9 baking pan, add our sugar-free maple syrup, our sweetener, whey casein protein, and in this case, I'm using a strawberry flavor, vanilla extract, give it a good mix, and then set it aside. Right before we get into the next step, it's best to get the oven preheated to 400 degrees, but we'll go ahead and grab another bowl, toss in your egg whites, Greek yogurt, another scoop of whey casein protein, strawberry flavor, vanilla extract, blend the ingredients together and toss in your cubed bread. I like to personally add a strawberry water flavor enhancer into this, but this is completely optional. It just adds a really nice touch of flavor. Let's transfer the bread into your baking pan and give it a nice mix with the maple syrup mixture. And then from here, I like to create small pockets in each corner so we can spoon in our cheesecake filling. The amount I'm using for the cheesecake filling is just enough to balance out with the amount of bread that we're using, so each bite gets a solid amount of cream cheese. And to make the cream cheese filling, we've got 8 ounces of fat-free cream cheese, 30 grams of low-calorie sweetener, along with 20 grams of sugar-free cheesecake pudding mix, 40 grams of egg whites, and half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Whisk it up and you should get a nice, rich and thick cheesecake mix. Now, once that's done, we'll toss it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, and the French toast meal prep is officially yours. In terms of this bad boy right here, this is a chonker. I mean, take a look at that. Oh, yes. In terms of total calories and macro breakdown, comes out to a total of 390 calories with 2 grams of fat, 51 grams of carbs, and 41 grams of protein. Got a little bit of a glaze there, some strawberry, cheesecake. Oh my God. We're gonna call this one Big Bertha compared to my head. I don't know if you guys can see that. Perfect texture and consistency. Take a look at that. Ain't she a beaut? My favorite part about this recipe, honestly, is probably got to be the cheesecake portion. I'm telling you guys, if you love Danishes, especially the ones from Costco or the ones that have like the cream cheese filling, this is almost like an exact replica. Oh my God. This right here is like the perfect balance of strawberry, cream cheese, and a little bit of bread. And another great part about this recipe, while you're meal prepping, you can always toss this in the fridge and then heat it up in the next morning. This thing is gonna be just as awesome. You don't have to have a little bit of the glaze. You can toss on, I don't know, your favorite whipped cream, sugar-free Cool Whip, whatever you prefer. This cream cheese right here is just like a little pocket of heaven. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I appreciate you all tuning in, but remember, recipes like this are super simple and only take a few minutes out of your day just to meal prep and get yourself organized and straightened out for the rest of the week. And not to mention, on point with your weight loss journey. So without further ado, if you guys are new to the channel, again, make sure to flex on the subscribe button, give this video a big fat thumbs up, and comment down below if you guys have any recipe requests. But in the meantime, stay safe, stay swole, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Just heat it up just a smudge in the morning. So good.